Now, types of traders. Types of traders simply means the way different traders interact with the market, right? There's no right or wrong or, good or bad type of trader. But what this means is how are you going to interact with the market? How are you going to trade with the market? Now, I'll talk about 3 basic type of traders and then you decide what type of trader you want to be. The first I'll call are scalpers. Scalpers, that is people that trade the market in a short period of time. That is, they enter quick trades. They can just, look at the way the market is going and say, okay, I'm going to enter a position now. I'm going to buy now and sell it in 5 minutes time. I'm going to buy now and sell it in 10 minutes time or 20 minutes time. Those are scalpers. They are basically people that maybe, don't want to hold trades for too long. They just want to buy and sell immediately. That is, they want to just make money now. So scalpers are basically people that enter positions and close it quickly. So they look at a position, look at, okay, price is at, for example, at 3 naira and they buy now. When it gets to 5 naira, they've made 2 naira profits, they sell. Those are scalpers. Now we have day traders. Day traders are people that they enter trades, but they stay in the trades longer than scalpers. So they can enter a trade in the morning and then leave the trade till probably in the evening. Do you understand? But they trade every day. Some people call them intraday traders, but simply say day traders, right? So they are, advanced scalpers. That is, they spend more time in the market. That is, they buy, currencies or enter positions and then they stay longer before they take their profits. And then we have swing traders. Swing traders are people that enter the market and stay in the market for long. Some people can actually enter the market and be in the market for 1 month, some for 1 week, some for 5 days. They can buy a particular currency. Maybe they can buy gold at, for example, 5 naira on Monday and leave it. They want the price of gold to increase, go up. And then maybe by Friday, price has gone from 5 naira to like 15 naira and then they close out. They are called swing traders. So basically, it's you that decide what you want to be. You want to be a swing trader, you want to be a day trader, you want to be a scalper. That is actually your choice anyway.